If you can unmute, please.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, the court is calling 2023 CR 3637 State versus Lazarus Carrillo. Can I have parties announced for the record?
Ashley Jones for the state.
Mark McKay from Mr. Carrillo.
And are you Lazarus Carrillo?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And this cause number is the capital murder cause number?
That is correct.
All right. State, are you seeking the death penalty?
We are not.
No objection.
And then I have this, today is the plea deadline day.
It is, Judge.
So have y'all reached agreement?
No.
All right. How long do y'all expect this jury trial to last?
On the state's part, I would say at least 5 days.
All right. You all need to confer with Ms. Ferguson on the jury trial date. Miss, yes.
What are we going to say? Pretrial motions.
What pretrial motions do y'all have? Because if you all are not seeking the death penalty, this is just murder.
With no
Yeah, I know, with no
punishment.
punishment, basically, if he were to be found guilty of capital murder. So what pretrial motions would there be? Because this is just then a murder.
Yeah,
With
we
a
have,
range of punishment of life in prison without possibility of parole.
correct.
Yes.
We just have emotions for us. We can probably run it with a trial.
All right.
You think we can?
Yeah, and then of course, Your Honor, just
And
the
if-
motions in, sorry.
If for some reason the motion, you all feel that it's dispositive or something that should not be run with trial, just let me know.
Okay, perfect.
All right.
Okay.
And you were saying something?
Just that we would have, of course, like little housekeeping ones, like motions in limine and stuff like that, but nothing major like a
All
motion.
right. Well, what I
Other
can
than
tell
the
you
motion
all
to
with
suppress.
regards to the motion in limine, I don't know anything about these cases other than what the charges are on the docket. So with motions in limine, I always tell people, one, just approach before asking any questions about it or wading into that territory. Of course, if it's something that it's obvious, it should be granted, then we'll take that up.
Be fine.
All right, so if you confer with Ms. Ferguson on the jury trial date, and they changed at the jail where you'll need to have a clothing exchange done within 72 hours. So if you do it within 24 hours, they're not going to allow you to do it.
Oh, 72. Okay.
Mhm.
Good to know.
And double check, because who knows, they may have changed it back again. So if y'all would confer with Ms. Ferguson on the date.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Good to
Do
see you.
you too? Do you need to speak with Mr. Correa?
No, I'll visit with him at another time.
All right, Mr. Correa, they're going to get a jury trial date for you. They'll visit with you and let you know what that date is. It will be in the new year.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, do you have any questions?
No, ma'am.
All right, Norma, if you can let them know that Mr. Correa can go back. Jessica can too.
That's what we're about to talk to you about.
Okay.
All right. All right, make you happy.
Okay.
Stand right there. Hold on one second. We'll have her address you, okay?
Hello. So what is happening with this case?
Judge, I think Ms. Cantu and I are having a difficult time communicating with each other, and she would like to be represented by other counsel.
Whoa, emotional beat incoming. The defendant's asking for new representation and even a little Christmas time with family. You can feel the human side of justice here, because legal deadlines don't care about the holidays, and this judge is not budging. It's a reminder, courtroom reality often collides with real life, and it can be brutal.
All right, are you able to afford an attorney?
That's what I was trying to explain to him, that my dad, he came to see me and he said that he was gonna try to get me another attorney and to bail me out, since I didn't know the bail bonds were like $5,000 and $2,000 or something like that, and he might have it by this week.
All right, so this case has been going on since November.
Yes.
So it's going to be recalled for tomorrow. And you'll either be in jury trial or either you'll have a new attorney. And if you have a new attorney legally, according to the law, they don't get 10 days because you've hired an attorney. So if we're not already in trial, you're going to be in trial tomorrow.
Is there any way that, I could, I don't know how to name, Pierre Vaughn had came to see me, and I don't know if there's any way I could spend, some time with my family. Like Christmas and stuff like that.
I'm sorry, what?
If there's any way that I could spend time with my family, like Christmas and New Year's.
Your jury trial is gonna happen tomorrow.
Hmm.
And if you want to speak to your attorney about your options, you're more than welcome to speak to your attorney about your options. But you have two cases, and according to what's on the docket, both of those are state jail felonies. I don't know if there's been any enhancements. So on those two cases, the range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine.
Yes,
It-
I'm sorry, he was talking about, taking it to trial. That's what I mentioned in.
All right, so we'll be back here tomorrow. They'll have you dressed for trial.
Okay, we could take it to trial.
Sure.
Yeah, okay. Could I do that?
Yes,
Okay.
counsel, do you want a bench trial or a jury trial? With a bench trial, the person who will decide whether you're guilty or not guilty will be the court, which is me.
Mm.
What I can tell you, if the state proves their case beyond a reasonable doubt, I'm gonna find you guilty. If they don't, I'm gonna find you not guilty.
Is there any way that I could reset for like about a week from now, so I get enough money to,
No,
okay.
this is a state jail felony, and it's been going on for a while now. It's a relatively simple case.
About a 12.4.
That has to do with punishment, and you'll need to speak to your attorney about that. So if you want to talk to him and talk to the state, and y'all can discuss offers, and if there's an agreement, the court will hear it. All right, thank you. All right, Roger Mims. Hello, thank you for dressing appropriately for court. Y'all will be back at 1:30 for jury trial.
Right. Address the court.
Sure.
So we were recalled from last week to obtain a transcript. I don't know if the court recalls. The transcript never arrived. The court reporter literally emailed me a 40-page transcript about an hour ago.
Okay.
It's a little bit longer than I honestly had anticipated it would be. I have not yet seen it. Mr. Mims obviously has not yet seen it. And this is a witness the state intends to call to trial, probably a very material witness, Judge. If the court could just give me another week, I'm not asking for a long reset, but I do need to digest it.
I'll let you all digest it over the break. So I'll see y'all back at 1:30. Thank you.
Yeah.
Hello.
Here it is.
All right, so you're counsel. So, you're asking for. So, y'all are asking for a bench trial?
Correct, Your Honor.
All right. How long do y'all expect this to last?
Judge, I would say about 2 days.
2 days? Right. Norma,
Yes, ma'am.
they're saying 2 days. Set this for a bench trial on December 15th. Is that good for everyone?
Judge, that's the day my wife is going in for that replacement surgery. I'm sorry.
All right, we can put it on December 8th.
Fine.
State, are you all right with December 8th?
I have to be here on another case in your court anyway, too.
Right.
But it's not, well, it's set for trial too, but it's for setting up, please. Anyway.
All right, so we'll put you down on December 8th. Once you sign the reset form, you are excused.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
Welcome. Mr. Middlebrooks, if I could see you, please. Hello. I'm doing okay. How are you doing?
Very good. No.
All right, so this is what I wanted to let you know what was happening with your case.
Yes, ma'am.
So anytime somebody has a pending criminal charge, if somebody thinks maybe there's some mental health issues, or maybe they're not understanding what their case is about, they say the nature of the case. So don't understand the charges, don't understand consequences,
Yes, ma'am.
they'll file a motion
Yes, ma'am.
to have them evaluated. So in your case, the motion to have you evaluated has been filed, and your attorney really can't go forward on your case, and the court can't go forward on your case
Okay.
until you're interviewed by the doctor.
Pause for insight. Whenever mental health questions pop up in a case, it can stall everything. The judge can't proceed until an evaluation is done. And here, the defendant's already navigating layers: family involvement, legal guardians, and doctor availability. Court timelines aren't just about lawyers. They're about real human logistics. And delays like this, they're extremely common but incredibly impactful.
Well, my mom, my legal guardian,
Mhm.
Joyce called me, and she's had all the documents and everything. I had a letter of recommendation for you
Okay,
on her behalf because she took me out of the group home company.
okay,
That was the situation that happened at the group home.
okay. All right, we're gonna see if we can perhaps get it expedited, but what I can tell you is, um, according to what I'm seeing in the system, the magistrate's court have you set for February 11th.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so I think that may be the soonest they can get it done for you. I know that I had already signed the motion in October, so that tells you
Yeah.
there's a limited number of doctors.
Miss Sheila, my case manager for mental health, she told me I have a mental health evaluation by the doctor this month.
Okay,
So that's why they have it a court day in February
okay,
as well.
yes. Okay, so if you want to, what I can do is I can have the deputies go ahead and take you back, or we can wait for your attorney to come. If they take you back now, of course, you won't miss lunch, or either you can wait for your attorney.
I don't know. I haven't heard from Martin good at all. My mom communicates with him at all.
Okay.
She do all the communication.
Oh, okay. Well, that's good that he's keeping in contact with your guardian, okay?
Yeah, but the thing is, I have to call my mom on the three-way through a friend of mine.
All right, so do you want to wait for him to get here?
I just go back.
You sure? I mean, if you want to, Miss Ferguson, did you get in touch with Martin Guerra?
I did send him a text message, Judge, but he hasn't answered back.
Just give me one moment. If you have him sit down for a moment, I'm going to see if I can reach your attorney. Sure. Nicholas Vaquera?
Here, Your Honor. So just the record of the please speak up. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All right, State, did you tender an offer? Mhm. Thank you for dressing appropriately for court.
You're welcome, ma'am.
How old are you?
35.
All right, this is going to be called for December 8th for a pre-deadline date. Once you file the reset form, you'll be excused. Just have a seat and your attorney will bring it to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
All right, sir. Very good.
Thank you. Can you tell me how many days in jail Mr. Savage has on his 2 cases? Yeah. Thank you so much. Judge, may I approach?
Yes.
On my gentleman on Zoom,
Mhm.
the hunger strike's over because he got his walker back.
Okay.
So I think we're gonna have them worked out. He says he will come to court tomorrow. It'd be much easier for us if we do it.
Now this is a jaw dropper. The defendant literally staged a hunger strike to get his walker. Yes, the stakes get that personal. Courtroom drama isn't just legal, it's deeply human. And for viewers, this is the perfect reminder. Behind every case are real people, real challenges, and sometimes extreme measures just to get basic accommodations.
In your courtroom, would that be okay if
Yes.
once I get it resolved, I'll still got him in the breakout.
All right.
I'm gonna make
Colin,
sure everything's
it
official.
better be here.
Well, he wants you to know that he didn't refuse last time. They just wouldn't give him his walker.
Mhm.
Which so, but now he has his walker, he says. He said he had to go to extremes to get his walker.
All right.
So apparently the hunger strike was,
Well. Okay.
which probably was better.
It is.
You know what you're doing.
Oh, no worries. Okay, let me know.
All right, thank you. So today is plea deadline date.
We deadline date.
So have you all reached an agreement?
We haven't reached an agreement, Judge. So I imagine that we would have to put this on the docket. There's going to be one issue with the discovery that the judge may have to, we will hope that the judge will have to, I don't know, either set a hearing on, or at least have a discussion about.
Who's the prosecutor?
The one and only,
He says there's an issue with discovery.
Judge, so the last time we were here, these were requesting some discovery from ancillary investigations that tie into this one, so I was able to obtain the discovery and put that on discovery.
Okay.
there was one issue that the state's position that is not discoverable, but there was either a CI or a tipster. I don't know how the state wanted to define the person.
So a CI, tipster, or
Correct.
was
And
this through Crime Stoppers?
It wasn't through Crime Stoppers, and I spoke with the detective and asked him if there's any discovery associated or documented what was relayed to him, and he said no. And then I did follow up and ask him if this person was confident or were they present during whatever was happening in this offense, and the answer was yes.
All right, so he'll need to be brought in and you can ask those questions of him prior to trial.
okay.
But I did ask him if he had any discovery
Of the-
associated with that I needed, which informed that there's none.
Because I'm assuming you asking that if there is a CI or tipster,
Correct.
you're asking that they be revealed.
Correct.
All right, so then there'll need to be a hearing on that and I'll make a decision on that. But how long do y'all expect this trial to last? Or do you want a bench trial?
I would say 3 days.
I need to put Savage on it.
Maybe 4 days.
Tomorrow for a plea.
And I'll talk to my client about a bench trial. But we're looking at
Yeah, I've got it.
about maybe 4 days.
He's gonna come.
All right, if y'all confirm with this, just have a seat. If y'all will confirm this with Ms. Ferguson
he's gonna
on
come
a
here.
jury trial
I mean,
date
I
or
wanna-
bench trial date.
No, he's not out here.
No, not here.
That's right.
He's on, he's on Zoom.
He's on Zoom. I have,
Mhm.
both cases resolved. They're both gonna be, judgment satisfied pleas. He'd like to come to court and do it in person tomorrow if the court will allow him.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, recall Mr. Savage for tomorrow.
Okay, I'm gonna tell him he can leave the Zoom then?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.